Hi there floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about why word of mouth is so important in taking your floor cleaning business to that next level. And I'm going to be running through some hacks, cracks, hints and tips about how you can generate word of mouth inside of your business itself today. So if you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB, or Add to Grow Business. We specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning industry. Whether you're a carpet cleaner, a tile cleaner, a hardwood floor cleaner, a marble floor cleaner, and so on. We specialize in getting your business booked out with jobs with our specialist digital marketing system. And I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning business owners as humanly possible, not just survive, but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Word of mouth, the best way to promote your floor cleaning business. So, utilizing paid advertising, working with a company like ours is going to elevate your floor cleaning business to the next level. There's no mistake about that. Like literally paying to play, so to speak, to get in front of more people on Facebook, on Google, and all of that is literally the best way right now to grow, scale your floor cleaning business and to take it to the next level, period. But what else is there? What else can be done beyond paid advertising? What comes after that? You've got that locked in, it's working, you're growing, more business is coming through the door. What's next? Outside of paid advertising, the biggest thing that will take your floor cleaning business to the next level is word of mouth, period. Imagine your service and the customer experience is so exceptional. It's so good that people are literally talking about you day and night. Imagine every customer of yours tells 5 to 10 other people about how amazing your company is. Your company would grow like wildfire and you'd put all your customers out of business and you'd absolutely dominate your area. This is how all the biggest multi-billion-dollar companies in the world have been so successful and dominated the market. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Uber, Amazon, etc., etc. It's all word of mouth. You don't really see, I mean, I'm sure they do use paid advertising, but you don't really see Uber or like another one, Netflix, advertise that much. It's mainly like all word of mouth. Like look at, again, Netflix, for example. If a really amazing show it comes out, people start talking about it, right? People start talking about it amongst their friends at dinner parties in Boston. Yeah, have you seen that new show on Netflix? Wow, it's amazing. When people are getting their hair cut and the hairstylist, the barbers talk, hey, how's it been? What are you watching? I'm watching this and it's amazing. I highly recommend it. People are talking about it on blogs, on social media, on Twitter. Just binge watch the news series on Netflix. It's 10 out of 5. It's amazing. I highly recommend it. When you have word of mouth happening on that level, I mean, the level of growth that you will experience will be on an incredible level that I just can't put even into words, right? It's just this build up, right? It's on such an incredible level that the returns, the profit and the growth of your business will be something that you've never experienced before. And this is how all of these multi-billion-dollar companies have become multi-billion-dollar companies, by leveraging things like word of mouth. So it's really, really important. And obviously the big question is how do you create massive word of mouth with your floor cleaning business? How do we get like literally everybody in your city, your town, talking about your floor cleaning business and have people queuing up around the block to book with you? And maybe there's even a waiting list because they've heard how incredible you are. So let's run through that right now. Number one is to give your customers an exceptional customer experience. This isn't customer services, this is customer experience. That's the experience of what it's like from the moment that they contact you to the moment that you've completed the job and what happens afterwards. So for example, Amazon have got an amazing customer experience. Like literally they have this whole one-click purchase thing. You can go there, literally press a button. Within a day, if not less sometimes, it arrives to your door. The delivery's really, really quick. It's a really smooth process. If a customer needs a refund, there's no like dispute over it. They just give you the money back, period. So the customer experience is huge. It's like when you go to like a restaurant, right? Like, you know, it's about how you're greeted when you enter the restaurant, how the waiters treat you, how the service is, how quickly you get the menu, how quickly the food comes out, how quickly it takes for you to get the bill, and how pleasant the atmosphere is inside the restaurant, right? Like, we've all had bad experiences, I'm sure, at restaurants where we've gone there, you've been waiting at the front desk for 10 minutes before somebody sat you down, then it takes another 5 minutes to get a menu, then nobody comes to take your order, and you're having to like wave to get someone's attention. They eventually come over to you, and then it takes ages for the food to come in, and the wrong thing comes out, right? The wrong amount of food, the wrong dish you didn't order comes out, and it takes forever to get the bill, and the whole thing is just horrible. That's a horrible customer experience. Whereas another version of a great customer experience, let's use a restaurant for example, is you go there, immediately someone's there to greet you with a big smile, amazing energy, really warm personality. They take you over to a wonderful table with a great view and immediately give you the menu, tell you what the specials are, tell you what they recommend and stuff like that. They give you a few minutes, but not too long, not too short. They give you just the right amount of time to choose. They promptly come and take your order. They bring you your drinks after they've taken your order very quickly. So you've got your drinks, and then not too long after that, the food arrives. The food's absolutely delicious. Once you've eaten it, they give you a few minutes just to kind of digest, and then they take the food, they take the plates away, they give you the dessert menu, you have dessert, they bring the bill promptly, and then see you to the door, and you have this amazing culinary experience with great food, great service, and you walk out of there and thinking, wow, that was amazing. Wow, that was incredible. You know, when we talk about exceptional customer experiences, that's what we're talking about. And it's about creating this really memorable experience, because ultimately that is what is going to get people talking about you to all of their friends and colleagues and relatives. And that's what's going to give you this exponential growth with people queuing around the block. That's what's going to make you dominate your area via word of mouth, by creating this amazing customer experience. Let's talk about how we can do that in respect to a floor cleaning business, because obviously it's very different to a restaurant or Amazon or any of these other companies. So here are some of the hacks, some of the hints, the tips, some bullet points that I can give to you guys today that's going to help you have a better customer experience for your customers and hopefully get more of your customers talking about your business. So number one is send an email telling new customers about your story as a business owner when they sign up for an inquiry or they reach out to get a quote. So this is something that we do with all of the people that work with us, all of the floor cleaning businesses that work with us inside of our digital marketing program. So somebody clicks one of our clients' ads that we've set up for them, they go into Messenger, they go through the chatbot, they give their email address, they ask for a price, they make an inquiry. That person automatically, instantly gets an email from that business, from that floor cleaning business, carpet cleaner, tile cleaner, whatever, telling that potential customer the story of that business owner in the community. So for example, you know, one of the very first clients that we had was a guy that was used to be in the local police force, and he served his local community fighting crime for 30 years, and then he retired, but he still wanted something to keep himself busy and stuff like that, and he still wanted to serve the community, and so he decided to start his own carpet cleaning business. And so we told that in a story format with this email, and people thought that was like wonderful, like wow, what a great story, you know, what a compelling story. This amazing guy who served his community for many, many years, and now he just wants to keep helping people. He's such a nice guy, and and that would help people think, you know what, I'm going to give this guy a shot. Let's go ahead and book him in. Do you know what I mean? But also it meant, you know, for a lot of these people, they're allowing a stranger into their home. So there's a trust element to that. And so by sending that email, it kind of like, it's the start of that customer experience, right? The first interaction, it's kind of giving them some reassurance. It's letting them know a little bit more about you as a business owner. It's creating that trust, and it's starting to build that long-term relationship. So one of the things that we do for our customers, and one of the things that I would recommend that you guys do, is have some where you're collecting emails, someone's filling in like a form on the website, send an email with a couple of paragraphs telling your story. You know, maybe you used to own another business in the area, and then that closed down for whatever reason, and then you decided to open the carpet cleaning business, and maybe people will remember you, right? But oh yeah, that's the guy that used to own the store at the end of the street. It's Gary. Oh, he started a carpet cleaning. He was a lovely guy. Wow, do you remember that time when, oh yeah, that's it, man. You've now just broken down that wall. You've broken down that barrier. They realize who you are. And then that night, they're out to dinner with all of their friends. Maybe there's 5 people, friends out to dinner. Like, you remember that guy, Gary, down the street, used to own the grocery store about 5 years ago, vanished. Everybody wondered what really amazing guy. He started a carpet cleaning business. Really? Yeah. Like, I clicked on this ad today on Facebook, wanted to get a quote. Family's coming over next week, 4th of July. Just wanted to get the carpets cleaned. Anyway, I filled in the form and then I got this email and it was from Gary saying, you know, hey Linda, like, you might remember me. I used to have the grocery store. I've now started a carpet. Oh wow, I need my carpets cleaned as well, actually. Now suddenly we got word of mouth, right? So telling your story to potential customers is a great way of creating that word of mouth. It's a great way of creating that gossip, right? And that's a great way of getting more people to know about your business and generating that word of mouth, like I said. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below. And if you would like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis to take your floor cleaning business to the next level, head down to the description where you'll find a link to our website where you'll be able to schedule a Zoom call with us. See you on the next one, guys. Laters.